Recording now. Yay! Emily! Dude, I have a YouTube account. And there goes Mason. Okay. Where'd the carrot go we kicked off earlier?
You take me and I'm gonna splash some milk in it.
You splash milk on it? I'm gonna make you give me $50.
Let's see. You already have a video game with your cell phone, so.
No, you can't post stuff from your cell phone onto a video camera though.
Yeah, you can. Just put it, so remember, you put it on the SD card and put it in your camera.
Mom, what's threatening to ruining my camera?
You did press play.
I did.
You're taking me.
Yeah,
Oh! Mom dancing. Oh, come on, she started dancing.
Oh, you are not. You really need to press play.
I'm on the run now! See you in the morning! I can't believe I got that on camera! Oh my god, I got a video of my mom dancing on camera. Okay, alright.
Oh, you are not.
I got that on camera! What?
I said I know where you
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
I don't know the way. You know?
You don't fart? Yeah, it was. It's not very nice. But
Cool to me. I don't have very good things. I have a green one.
this little green one.
No, it's a green. Like
I don't-
that one.
I don't have a digital camera.
It says digital.
Oh, it says. That's very funny.
Yeah, it's like I don't have a digital camera. It's digital.
Yes, but this is a digital video camera. Upstairs! Yeah, I can't believe we got video of mom dancing. And it's the coolest junk in the living room. What you watching? What you watching?
A very serious movie.
I don't know what it is, Ray.
Unforgiven. Or naughty, naughty.
You guys are 13. You can watch TV 13 years. You got that on tape. You're gonna smell that when you look at this.
Okay, so yes, we're having an interesting YouTube video going on here. Hey, it's a beach video.
Oh.
Can I take?
You can do.
I'm just gonna take it. I just want to run around with the camera.
Dance, babe, dance!
Can I try?
He's dancing. Behold the demonic sibling I call a sister. Behold Blaine. Often known as B or BB.
Hey, dude.
Blaine Baker. Makes sense. First name and last name start with B.
And
I could call her Bab.
Next, you gotta
Bab.
stop that boy.
Bab, B-A-B.
Bob. That's a new. You like that?
I think I just gave my last name. I don't know who. I hope I don't get stalkers on Facebook. Okay. You can't post on the camera this time. Ah. Don't. No. No. Hey, no throwing darts at me. Mom made that a rule. No. Dude. You sprayed the camera with water. Alright, bye-bye, people. I got psychotic brother who's spraying me with water. Dakota! Dude.
He's flirting.